Did you know that nearly 8 out of 10 people are just one bad day away from financial disaster? Not really a fun fact, but what if I told you there's actually a way to break free from money stress forever? Stick around because I'm about to drop some serious financial wisdom. We're diving deep into the world of financial freedom. I'm talking about ending your money problems for good. No more sleepless nights, no more avoiding your bank statements. In this video, I'm sharing the exact steps you need to take right now to transform your financial life. And trust me, your future self will thank you. That's why today I'll take you to how to end money problems for good. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Let's get real for a second. Money problems are like that annoying relative who overstays their welcome. They just won't leave you alone. And trust me, I've seen it all in my 20 years of researching wealth creation. First up, you've got debt. It's the monster under the bed of personal finance. You got credit cards, student loans, medical bills. They all pile up faster than dishes on Thanksgiving. And the interest rates? Oh boy. It's like throwing money into a black hole. Then there's the paycheck to paycheck tango. You're working hard, but your money is gone before you can even say direct deposit. It's exhausting, and it leaves zero room for growth or fun. But here's the thing. These problems aren't just numbers. They seep into every aspect of your life. They cause stress, they strain relationships, and they kill your dreams faster than a bad Yelp review. And the real kicker is that most people feel trapped. They think this is just how life is. But I'm here to tell you that's a load of baloney. You're not stuck, and you're definitely not alone. These problems are common, but they're also totally fixable. And that's exactly what we're going to tackle in this video. So here are 5 game-changing steps to kiss those money modes goodbye and hello to financial freedom. Starting off with step number 1, budget like a boss. First things first, we need to get intimate with our money. I'm talking budgeting here. But before you roll your eyes and reach for the snooze button, hear me out. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about liberation. Think of your budget as a financial GPS. Without it, you're just driving around aimlessly, burning through your cash faster than a Tesla burns through battery life. But with a solid budget, you're cruising down easy street with a full tank of financial know-how. So how do we do this? Start by tracking every penny for a month. And I mean every single penny. That latte you grabbed on the way to work, you need to track that. The random Amazon purchase at 2 a.m. Yep, that too. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mystery of your disappearing money. Once you've got a clear picture, it's time to categorize. Essential expenses, non-essentials, savings, and debt repayment. Aim for the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt repayment. All you need to remember is that your budget isn't set in stone. It's more like Play-Doh, flexible and fun to work with. As your life changes, so should your budget. You got a raise? Adjust. Had a baby? Adjust. Developed an expensive cheese habit? You guessed it, you need to adjust. Step number 2, savings. Next, let's talk about savings. And no, I don't mean stuffing cash under your mattress like it's 1929. I'm talking about building a financial fortress that would make Fort Knox jealous. First on the agenda is the emergency fund. This is your financial airbag. When life throws you a curveball, and trust me it will, your emergency fund is there to catch it. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It might seem like a lot, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial security. You can start small because even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 in a year. That's enough to cover a minor car repair or a surprise dental bill. It's like planting a money tree, except this one actually grows. Once you've got your emergency fund sorted, it's time to think bigger. Like retirement savings. I know retirement seems as far away as the next Star Wars trilogy, but trust me, your future self will definitely thank you. Step number 3. Debt. Alright, it's time to face the beast. Debt. It's like a financial tapeworm, eating away at your hard-earned cash. But don't worry, we're about to go all Van Helsing on this monster. First, let's prioritize. List all of your debts, their interest rates, and minimum payments. Now, there are two popular strategies, which are the avalanche method and the snowball method. The avalanche method is all about tackling the highest interest debt first. It's like choosing to fight the biggest, baddest monster first in a video game. It might be scary, but it saves you the most money in the long run. The snowball method, on the other hand, is about paying off the smallest debts first. It's more about quick wins and motivation. Think of it as defeating a bunch of mini-bosses before the final showdown. But whichever method you choose, the key here is consistency. You need to make those payments religiously. Treat them like pizza night. They're non-negotiable. Also, consider consolidating your debts if you can get a lower interest rate. It's like herding all your debt cats into one manageable pen. Step number 4. Seek the wisdom of the money sages. Money sage? What's that? Well, I'm talking about financial advisors. These are the Yodas of the money world, full of wisdom and probably some cryptic advice. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not rich. Financial advisors are for people with yachts and monocles. That's wrong. Financial advisors are for anyone who wants to get their money act together. There are advisors for every stage of the financial journey. Some specialize in debt management, others in investment strategies, and basically, it's like choosing a character class in an RPG. Pick the one that matches your current quest. When choosing an advisor, look for credentials like CFP or Certified Financial Planner or CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. These aren't just fancy acronyms. They're proof that your advisor knows their stuff. But remember, an advisor is a guide, not a magician. They can't make your money appear out of thin air. If they claim they can, well, you probably should run. What they can do is help you make smarter decisions with the money that you already have. And finally, step number 5, creating multiple income streams. That's right, we're talking about diversifying your income portfolio like it's a buffet of money-making opportunities. Because why rely on just one paycheck when you can have several? Here's why this is a game changer. When you have multiple income streams, you're not just increasing your earning potential. You're building a financial safety net that would make a trapeze artist jealous. If one income source dries up, you've got backups. It's like having a spare tire, but for your wallet. Start small. Consider a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions. There's freelance writing, dog walking, and online tutoring. But the possibilities are practically endless. Or you can even dive into the world of passive income with rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or you can even create digital products. And while we're at it, here's a mind-bending statistic. On average, millionaires have 7 different income streams. 7! They're not just putting all of their eggs in one basket. They're running the whole egg farm. By diversifying your income, you're not just ending money problems. You're opening doors to opportunities you never knew existed. It's like finding a secret level in the game of life. And the prize is financial abundance. From budgeting like a boss to creating multiple income streams. I know it's a lot, but all you need to remember is that financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey. And now that you've got your roadmap, it's time to take control and write your very own financial success story. Also, what's the craziest side hustle idea you've ever heard of or had? Share your wild money-making schemes in the comments below. And who knows, you might just inspire the next $1,000,000 idea. And well, that's basically how to end money problems for good. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.